Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Super Center, and we're taking a look at the 2013 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with a Roush exhaust installed in the back, but let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have spacious seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. You've got your standard hubcaps there, and in the middle you have 2 cup holders as well as a 12-volt power outlet. This truck does also have an aftermarket remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 114,304 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. And on the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your buttons to cycle through your information here, such as your distance to empty, fuel economy, trip timer, trip A and B mileage. And then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is actually an aftermarket Kenwood Stereo with a touch screen, which is always nice. But it is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, as well as CD, I think. And you can do screen mirroring with your phone, so you can use it kind of like your regular phone touchscreen, probably load up your maps and everything too. And shifting into reverse, it does have a connected backup camera, so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Above that, you have your traction control shut off and your hazards. And then moving down, you have your climate controls, very simple, easy to use. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls and a little cubby, and on the right, you have a 12-volt and a little cubby. You also have another 12-volt here with your auxiliary outlet, I believe, and a trailer brake controller installed. Aftermarket as well, and a cubby beneath it if you want to put something there. You have your tow haul mode button on the end of your column shifter. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, with another compartment underneath that for even more storage. And then you can also slide out these cup holders, so you can have some drinks while this seat is folded up, or 4 in total if you're feeling wild. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.